Building an email list is one of the smartest things you can do online. But let's be honest, most beginners never see results because they spend weeks collecting freebie seekers who never buy. The ClickBank Super Funnel changes that. Instead of chasing after leads that don't convert, this system shows you how to get paid to build your list fast, even if you're just starting from zero. Here's the secret sauce. The funnel is designed to attract real buyers, not just free signups. While your email list grows in the background, the funnel also promotes high-ticket offers that pay you hundreds, even thousands per sale. And this isn't theory. Affiliates using this system have seen massive results. One earned over $500,000 in commissions, while other made $50,000 by spending 5 to 10 minutes a week on Facebook. The best part, setup takes just 7 minutes even if you're brand new. Click the link below to watch the training and discover how you can build your list and earn high-ticket commissions at the same time.